Welcome to another video. We are told to solve for the value of x in 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x all over 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x is equals to 80. So I'm going to take you through this exponential equation until you find the value of x. If you're watching for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. So on the solution part, I'm going to start by adding 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x. And if you add the top, of course, you're going to get 3, 8 raised to x. Well, in the denominator, I have 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to x. I'm going to get 2 4 raised to x should be equals to 80. Well, at this stage, I have 8 raised to x and 4 raised to x. Then you're going to recall that if you have a raised to n over b raised to n, then this is going to be written as a over b raised to n. The power comes outside. So applying that here, I'm going to get 3 over 2 multiplied by now 8 over 4. And then I take the power outside. Should be equals to 80. So well, at this stage now, I'm going to remove 3 over 2 by multiplying all through by the reciprocal of 3 over 2. So that is 2 over 3 on both sides. And then I'm going to cancel. And here, this is elementary maths, 8 divided by 4. Of course, it gives you 2 raised to x is equals to, if you come this side, you're going to get 160 divided by 3. Well, at this stage, since this is an exponential equation, then I'm going to introduce logarithms on both sides. So log 2 raised to x is equals to log 160 divided by 3. Well, if I'm going to have the log of a raised to n, then this can be simply be written as n to the log of a. So applying this here, then, so well, then it means actually x gonna come here as x to the log of 2 is equals to the log of 160 over 3. And then, of course, you can also recall that when you have the log of a over b, this can just be simply be written as the log of a minus the log of b. So, of course, using the relationship above, then my equation now going to change to x to the log of 2 is equals to log 160 minus log 3. Well, I'm going to divide all through by log 2. So everything on that side also going to be to the log 2, so that the log and the log going to cancel, and then you remain with, so it's going to be x is equals to log 160 minus log 3 over log 2. Then I'm going to separate. Separating now, it becomes the log of 160 over the log of 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. Well, at this stage, I'm going to write the factors of 160. Of course, 160 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 power 5 times 5. So replacing this here, then my equation now changes to the log of 2 power 5 times 5 minus the log of 3. So all through by log 2 divided by log 2. Well, I'm going to separate since I'm adding using the log of A multiplied by B. Then this is going to be written as log A plus log of B. So applying that here, so my equation now changes to x is equals to the log of 2 power 5 plus the log of 5 minus the log of 3. But of course, everything is over the log of 2 divided by the log of 2. Well, guys, take this opportunity to subscribe, like, share. If you are new, remember to subscribe. Comment with an alternative approach. So we continue again. At this stage, the 5 gonna come here as 5 to the log of 2 divided by the log of 2 plus log 5 over log 2 minus log 3 over log 2. Of course, if you look at this point, log 2 and log 2 gonna cancel, and here I have log 5 over log 2. I'm gonna recall again, when you have the log of A divided by the log of B, this can be simply be written as the log of A base B. So I'm gonna apply this knowledge here and here, so that now my final answer now becomes 5, of course, the log and log gonna cancel, plus the log of 5 base 2, you see, minus the log of 3 base 2 as the right solution for our required equation. So next, we're gonna verify. So in the verification part, I'm gonna just substitute the value of x at this stage so that we verify. Of course, that x that we have come up with, if we substitute it here, then it's gonna give us the right hand side. So let us go on and verify our answer. So as we verify, we're gonna start by, we know that the x that we got was 5 plus the log of 5 base 2 minus the log of 3 base 2. Of course, that is what I'm gonna substitute to the exponential. So it's gonna be 2 raised to 5 plus the log of 5 base 2 minus the log of 3 base 2. So we're gonna verify if it's gonna give us 160 over 3. Well, at this stage, I'm adding the powers, then it means I'm gonna separate by multiplying the bases. So it is 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 2 raised to the log of 5 over 2, then divide by 2 raised to the log of 3 over 2 is equals to that. Then you're gonna recall again that if you have a raised to the log of b base a, then this automatically gives you b. So applying this knowledge there, then now my equation now gonna change to 2 raised to 5 multiplied by this and this, the bases are the same, so it disappears and I'm gonna get 5. Then I'm going to divide by this, and this disappears. And then it remains 5. 160 over 3. So, well, 2 raised to 5 times 5 over 3. So, well, 2 raised to 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Of course, if you take 2 raised to 5 times 5, that gives me 160 over 3. And that is, actually it gives us that 160 on the left hand side is equals to 160 over 3 on the right hand side. So guys, we have managed to find the value of x for our exponential equation. We've gone further to verify it. I just want you to comment, like the video, share to friends, comment with an alternative approach. So until we meet again in the next video, bye for now.